What's going on YouTube? Your boy Narcos here, man. So kind of have another review for you guys. I just thought about it and I never got around to doing it. So this review that I'm doing is going to be basically based off of like the the jewelry that I wear, not necessarily this chain right here. This is from the gold shop. Now the piece that I'm going to be reviewing today, if you've also seen it in my recent Playboy Cardi video. If you haven't checked that video out, please go ahead and do so. You'll enjoy it. But the one that I'm going to be reviewing today is the their tri-colored Cuban link chain. So it comes in, you know, nice little box here. We're about to open it just in a second. And again, like I said, this one that I have on right now, it's a 28 inch. It's a micro Cuban link, also from Gold Shop or Shop Gold. I don't know which one they prefer to go by. And it came in this box. And just to show you very quickly, it came with a when I bought this one, because they always have like deals going on. Again, this is solid gold. They gave me, you know, when you buy a chain, you get a free tennis chain. So, and I think it's a 1.5 inch, so you can't really see like the diamonds on it. But yeah, this one came free. This is gold plated, I believe, or I'm not too sure, but you know. And then of course the little, you can't really see it because it's like trying to zoom in, but yeah, it has like the little emblem on the end. So let me put this back up, and then we're gonna get right into talking about the tri-colored Cuban link. Okay, so again, tri-colored Cuban link chain comes in the gold box from Shop Gold, or the Gold Shop. Shout out to them. Again, like I said, you've seen it in one of my other videos. I was wearing it, maybe another one, I can't remember. So basically, when you here, I just opened it, but basically when you open the box, you know, it comes in a little slide out, little gold holder. It comes with a sticker. This also came with this chain and the tennis chain that I showed. It comes with the sticker, Gold Gang, hashtag built from the ground up. And you know, it tells you $5,000 cash Instagram giveaway. So you know, if you basically post a video or a picture on IG, you'll be, I guess, basically put into a raffle to be chosen to win, you know, $1,000, and they give it to 5 winners, and you know, you can get $1,000 each. I never tried it because I was like, I don't really think I'd have enough good luck for it. And then again, you get these 2 cards. Now with these 2 cards, one of them is a, let me see which one this one is. This one is a lifetime warranty card, basically. So say if something, like if the jewelry gets damaged or something, you could send it back and get another one. It's lifetime. It's forever. Yeah, they come in these nice little black envelopes. You know, it's, you know, the material of it's not cheap, doesn't feel cheap. And then also has the gold stamp on the back and the logo here up at the front. And then the other one, this one was a, you know, gold stamp again. It's pretty cool. Open it up again, and in this one they gave me a $25 gift card. I'm not gonna show the back, but yeah, it's a $25 gift card. So that was really cool. Also, you know, they, again, like I said, they're always having deals on their sites. They have gold plated and solid gold jewelry, chains and stuff. So this one that I got, I'm gonna show you first, and then again, like I said, they have, you know, some of their stuff has diamonds. They have CZ, and they even have VVS diamonds. But you know, that's, of course, you're gonna be paying, you know, what, you know, rich people or rappers and celebrities and stuff are paying. Usually this place, they do a lot of work with, you know, different, you know, like rappers and artists, kind of like with like Johnny Dang in a way. Shop Gold, I believe they're located down in Miami in Brickell. You know, so they are legit. You know, it's of course, it's not fraud, it's not a scam. And also they kind of have like a partnership with the NBA, so they even have like pendants and stuff for, like, say you're a Bucks fan, you know, you can get a pendant for one of your chains or whatever, and they have all type of pendants and stuff. So again, it comes in this nice little leather bag. It says gold, even the gold little logo here, the zipper part, the holder. And then it comes in a plastic, like a baggie, a Ziploc, has a little emblem here, the logo, just like here, right? Here we go. So as you can see, this is it. Again, it's kind of bright, but how it goes is down here it's silver, it's or white gold, and then it's yellow gold, and then it's rose gold here. You know, you can't, yeah, so rose gold, yellow gold, and then white gold. Can't really see it too much. I'm gonna take a couple pictures and also, you know, put a picture up from the website. And then there's a little emblem here, and it says gold on the back. But again, I will you know, post a link to the website and everything. So this one that I have here, this one is gold plated. I'm not about to spend, let me see, for the solid gold, and then of course it, you know, with the different diamonds and stuff, you're basically gonna be spending between $11,000 to $60,000 on this. And then at the same time, you know, I'm not gonna say stupid enough, but I'm not gonna, you know, spend that much, especially on jewelry. I was about to say jewelry. Let's say like I'm out somewhere and you know who knows what could happen, bro. You know, somebody tries to snag it off you or something happens to it. You know, you would have that warranty, but still, you know, I'd be scared to be walking around with a $15,000 necklace on, you know, just walking around and stuff. But either way though, with the gold plated shop gold, they do pretty good with plating their gold. You know, they don't dip it only like 1 or 2 times. I think they dip their chains, like their gold plated ones, like at least like a good 5 times, so it's pretty solid. Again, with gold plated, you shouldn't wear it you know, like in the shower or in the pool or anything. Along with solid gold, that's another thing, because a lot of people always ask, especially with gold plated, if like you can wear it in the shower. You're not supposed to wear it again in the pool. It's even same thing with gold, solid gold. You shouldn't wear them in the shower, or, you know, get them as wet. Maybe, you know, if you did a little bit even with gold plate, that's fine, or even in the pool, because, you know, you could be taking a shower and, you know, you could be like, you know, scrubbing yourself, and the soap and everything will actually wear down and tarnish, whether it's solid gold and of course gold plated over time. So the best thing to do is to take your jewelry off whenever you're going into like the shower or the pool, or, you know, something that's wet or whatever. So yeah, and it goes both ways for solid gold and gold plated. So I'm taking off my solid gold and I'm gonna put on the gold plated. You know, again, it has the clasp on the inner, really nice on this one. Like the solid gold is just a regular link, but these, it has like the two little clasp on the ends. So basically when you it clicks in, you lock it, and then it has the clips on the sides, right there. Yeah, focused, and then it locks in just like that. So clock it out, and we're gonna put it on. Clicked in, one clasp in, the other one in, and yeah. In this lighting though, you can't really see it. If it falls out in the sunlight, even the diamonds on this one, they really do shine. They look great. You know, it's a good looking Cuban link. This is a 18-inch. My solid gold one is a 28. So, you know, just to kind of show you a little difference here. You know, this one's a little longer. I got the 28 because I'm a bit taller and stuff, and I don't know, I didn't really want it too far up here, like a 20-inch. I mean, I could have, it would have been nice, but I just wanted a little longer chain. Since it was getting solid gold. But this is the 18. Again, I'm gonna, you know, take a couple pictures and whatnot with it on, and then of course, so you could see the shine. But again, like I said, I've had this chain for a couple months now. Well, this one I've had for like a month and a half. My solid gold one I had for about almost a couple months. And I would say, I like their stuff. I like the jewelry. You know, I just got a couple pieces again, like I said. And you know, even when you order, the delivery and the shipping especially is really quick. If you're across the country, It's fast. Like me, I ordered this stuff on a Saturday, and since they, it says it could take 5 to 10 business days, working days to get delivered. It literally came, because I ordered it Saturday, and it literally came the Tuesday of next week. So like a few days, not counting Sunday, like 2 days. So they're very quick and fast. That was pretty much it. Again, that was the tricolor Cuban link. I know there's not too many reviews on it. I think there's one other one that I've seen, and that was the one that I watched before I actually end up getting it. But it looked nice. A lot of people are satisfied with this Cuban link. Gold plated or real. A lot of people are getting the gold plated, of course, because it's more affordable. There's always deals going on, like 33%, 67%. Buy one, get this. Get 2 of these, get these 2 free, stuff. So check them out. I do like their jewelry and stuff. Again, if you have any opinions or if you have any comments or questions about their products, please make sure, especially about this Cuban link, because I know, again, there's not a lot of reviews on it. Please make sure to leave me a comment, like the video, share it. Please share this video, and then also, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe. And that is it for me today. Narcos out.